Hi, this is what 500 toys look like. My name is Angela and welcome to my very first video on Slava Handmade Studio. And it's hard to believe, but just a year and a half ago, I could not crochet at all. And now, most of these toys I've made using my own patterns. So on this channel, I'm going to share free tutorials, do toy reviews, and take you with me to the craft fairs. Let's take a closer look at the toys I create and talk more. So most of these toys you see here are made with plush yarn or chenille yarn, about 120 meters or 131 yards per 100 grams. It's my favorite type of yarn, and toys made with it are really popular with the customers. But this year I also started making toys with micro plush yarn, and with it I was able to create the tiniest toys I've ever made. Just look at this little capybara in the box. It's only 3 centimeters long. So this yarn is about 150 meters or 164 yards per 50 grams, and it's perfect for creating adorable tiny miniature toys. I really love it. I think I'm going to keep this bunny for myself instead of selling it. And next is tiny micro cactus. It's smaller than a pinky finger. 3 tiny elephants, a little panda. Next, I want to show you an interesting idea. Cats and flowers. I thought it would make a wonderful gift for a mom, a friend, or a sister. You can also play them on the flowers like this. I made them in spring colors, and I think they're very cute, and I really enjoyed making them. I also made many of these cats. Each of them has a little bed, and this is the same pattern of cats in the flowers, but made with a different yarn, which is why the size is slightly different. And here we have mini hippos. This is my new pattern, so I hope they will become popular. Next, another idea, I put the toys into these little bags. I think kids will love taking their little friend with them wherever they go. Then I have this little bunnies and these funny plants in the pots. Next, an unusual toy, a little spider in a hat. Next, little chick boys and the little chick girls. Here are the ducks in the frog hats, which are very popular with the customers. And these are also cats in black, orange, and beige. And here I have turtles in different colors. I especially like the rainbow turtles in both light and dark shades. Next, I have these dogs and opossums. Let's take a closer look at them. I've made 12 of them. I really love this pattern I created, and it's super easy to follow. Next to them are these two little lizards, and there's one little foxes with a cup of coffee. So what's next? Here are some dogs and a little mice. I really like them, but they're not very popular in the US. Next, I want to show you some fun whales. The boys are wearing little hats, and the girl has a ball. I think it's really cute. Let's see what I have on the second table. And let me show you some of my favorites because I can't show everything. It would make the video too long for my first video in English. And here they are. There's funny little frogs and octopuses, little owl, a baby bee, tiny mushroom, and baby frog. I also make these snakes. Kids really love them. I also like this rainbow bears. And then I made these 7 little pigs. But so far only one has been sold. I was sure they would be popular, but sometimes what I think people will love doesn't sell that well. I like the capybaras. These are very popular. Next, I made a lot of sea turtles. Here I have a bunny, a bear, an elephant, and a koala in little beds. And I really, really like them. I also like this white bear. And these cats with glasses are very, very popular with the customers. I've sold a lot of them. And these little dogs are my new pattern. I hope they will also be popular at craft fairs. And of course, I want every toy I make to find its family and bring them joy. Okay, next I have mallard dogs, more dogs, and a very cute rooster. Here are more cats, some of them in a little baskets. And you sell them both in baskets and without. I also have here a collection of baby animals in pajamas and this little bunny in a dress. There is also an elephant, another koala, and one more koala. Oh, I forgot to show you something. And it's this bunny in the carrot. A short video of this bunny got over 23K views, and that was a big surprise for me. And I'm really happy about that. And now I want to make more bunnies like this for the market, maybe in different colors. And when they are ready, I'll show them to you in future videos on my channel. Now let's take one more look at all the toys. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I would really love to hear from you. A like or comment would mean a lot. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!